Taizhou Geruite Houseware Co., Ltd. was established in 2016 and is located in Taizhou, enjoying convenient transportation and beautiful environment. Our company covers an area of 19,500 square meters and has 235 employees. We are specialized in innovative household and kitchenware products. Our company has rich experience in the plastic industry. Our main products include fridge bins, food container, airtight food container, bento lunchbox, pill box, and other plastic products. Besides, we have advanced plastic injection mold process technology and R&D team to make great efforts to develop new products and meet different market demands and get a patent. In addition, we control the quality strictly as quality is our culture. Almost of our products are RoHS, CE, GSG test approved. OM or ODM service are welcome for our overseas customers. We also develop new products with clients together to help them get more market share in win-win and long-term cooperation. We cooperate with Walmart and Adidas. Our products are exported to clients all North America, Europe, Southeast Asia, South America, and so on. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. If you have any new ideas or concepts for the products, please contact us. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.